Hey guys, this is Caesar from the Adventures of Sardinas, and welcome to a foggy Vienna, Austria, where we'll be spending the next 2 days touring the Austrian capital. Vienna is considered one of Europe's most elegant and romantic cultural capitals. Join us as we tour this beautiful city, rich in imperial traditions, music, and art. After walking through the outer castle gate, we arrive at Heldenplatz, a public square in front of the old Imperial Hofburg Palace. This historic public square is dominated by several monumental statues, numerous museums, and the Hofburg Palace. The Hofburg Palace was the imperial center of the city and the winter residence of the Hapsburg monarchy. Today, it is one of the world's largest palace complexes and home of the Austrian president. Hey guys, so we are in Vienna, Austria, checking out city center, palaces, and parliament buildings, so check it out with us. Here at the premises of the Hofburg Vienna, they have their own fire brigade, which ensures fire protection and safety. There are always 6 firefighters on duty around the clock for the workers and residents. If you like our video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Walking around the Hofburg in Vienna, we were amazed by the architecture of the imperial buildings, the palace, and museums. Some date back to the 13th century. Walking past the Advent der Stahlberg, we were so lucky to see several white stallions being transferred from the world-famous Spanish riding school. Heading to the historical city center, we pass Platz, a beautiful public square with amazing architecture. Here is St. Stephens Cathedral, Vienna's most famous landmark. It is the mother church of the Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Vienna and the seat of the Archbishop of Vienna. St. Stephens Cathedral's current Romanesque and Gothic form stands on the ruins of 2 earlier churches. This church is the most important religious building in Vienna. The church is famous for its mosaic pattern tile roof, which has over 230,000 glazed tiles. The interior of the church is breathtaking. It contains 18 altars. The high altar took over 7 years to build. It represents the stoning of the church's patron, Saint Stephen. Guided tours are offered to the cathedral and the catacombs where Saint Stephen is buried. The beautiful pulpit masterpiece are portraits of 4 doctors of the church: St. Augustine of Hippo, St. Ambrose, St. Gregory the Great, and St. Jerome. Our tour of St. Stephen's Cathedral was the highlight of our first day in Vienna. I'll include the link to their website below. Our second day in Vienna began with a tour of the Schönbrunn Palace. The palace was the summer residence of the Habsburgs. The name Schönbrunn, which means beautiful spring, has its roots in an artesian well from which water was consumed by the imperial court. The Schönbrunn Palace is one of Europe's most beautiful Baroque complexes and has been in the possession of the Habsburgs since 1569. The 1,441-room Rococo Palace is one of the most important architectural, cultural, and historical monuments in the country. There's so much to see at the Schönbrunn Palace. You'll need a full day to tour the interior of the palace as well as the magnificent garden. I'll include the link to the Schönbrunn Palace website at the bottom. Vienna was one of our favorite cities to tour during our romantic Danube River cruise. 2 days was simply not enough to experience Europe's most elegant and romantic cultural capitals. If you like our video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for our next episode as we tour Budapest, Hungary's graceful and inspiring capital.